Hey guys, today I'll show you how to get a free trial in Amazon Prime Video. So guys, stick around till the end of the video to fully understand the steps and you'll be able to get the free trial. So first thing that you will do is open up a browser into your device, and I'm gonna be using Google Chrome, and from here just type in the URL amazon.com/Amazon Prime. And now from here, you will see start your free 30-day trial. So just simply tap on this. And after that, just simply tap on add a credit or debit card. And from here, guys, just simply provide your card details in order to provide a payment method. And now, once you have provided the necessary information, just simply provide a gift card, a voucher, or promotional codes if you have over here. And once you are done, you can just tap on continue. And from there, guys, just provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.